Have you ever considered starting a YouTube channel, but don't want to show your face on camera? Well, you're not alone. Many potential content creators prefer to stay behind the scenes, yet they still want to share their passions, knowledge, and creativity with the world. That's where Faceless YouTube channel ideas come into play. These ingenious concepts allow you to remain anonymous while still creating compelling content. Today, we're exploring some of the best Faceless YouTube channel ideas that can lead to direct growth. Our first idea is all about becoming a voiceover expert. Imagine crafting a space on YouTube where you get to share your unique voice with the world. This can be anything from narrating captivating stories to explaining complex topics, or even providing in-depth product reviews. The beauty of this idea is that you don't need to reveal your face. It's all about the power of your voice. Now, the first thing you need to remember with this idea is the importance of sound quality. Your voice is your main tool, so you want to make sure it's heard clearly and effectively. This means investing in good audio equipment. A high-quality microphone, a pop filter, and some soundproofing can go a long way in making your voice sound professional and engaging. But a great voiceover channel isn't just about the quality of your voice or your equipment. It's also about the content you're sharing. This is where scriptwriting comes in. A well-crafted script is the backbone of a successful voiceover video. It's your roadmap, guiding you through your narration and ensuring that your content is engaging, informative, and compelling. You could narrate fascinating stories, bringing characters and plots to life with your voice. Or maybe you want to break down complex topics, turning them into digestible and engaging content for your audience. Product reviews are another great option. With your voice, you can provide detailed, honest, and convincing reviews that help your audience make informed decisions. The options are endless with a voiceover channel. You can cover a wide range of topics, cater to diverse audiences, and express your creativity, all without showing your face. It's a fantastic opportunity to make your mark on the YouTube platform, and the best part is, you're in control. With this idea, your captivating voice alone can create compelling content. So, if you've got a passion for speaking, a flair for storytelling, or a knack for explaining complex ideas, a voiceover channel could be your ticket to YouTube success. Remember, it's all about quality sound, engaging scripts, and your unique voice. Idea number 2 is perfect for the tech-savvy among us. Imagine starting a tech tutorial channel that is as faceless as it is informative. This is a golden opportunity to share your expertise in areas such as programming, graphic design, video editing, or even tech gadget reviews. The beauty of this idea is that it allows you to be the teacher, the expert, the one who demystifies complex tech concepts for those who are eager to learn. Now, you might be wondering, how do I teach without showing my face? Well, here's where screen recording software comes into play. This technology allows you to capture everything happening on your screen, making it an ideal tool for tech tutorials. You can walk your audience through coding exercises, show them how to design a stunning graphic, or guide them through the labyrinth of video editing software. All these right from the comfort of your screen, with your voice as the guiding light. Additionally, animations can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. They bring a dynamic and engaging element to your tutorials, making complex concepts easier to understand. You can use animations to illustrate coding logic, demonstrate how a piece of software works, or even to create engaging intros and outros for your videos. Remember, the key to a successful tech tutorial channel is clarity, simplicity, and engagement. Make sure your voice is clear and your explanations are simple enough for your audience to follow. Engage with your audience by asking them to leave comments, answer their questions, and perhaps even create tutorials based on their requests. This way, you not only share your knowledge, but also build a community around your passion for technology. With this idea, you can share your tech expertise without ever stepping in front of the camera. So, if you are passionate about technology and love teaching, a faceless tech tutorial channel might just be your ticket to YouTube success. If you're a passionate gamer, why not create a gaming channel? Yes, gaming isn't just a pastime anymore. It's a full-blown phenomenon that's taken the world by storm. With a good gaming setup and a captivating commentary, you can dive into this thriving community with your very own gaming channel. Now, you might be wondering what exactly a gaming channel entails. In essence, it's a platform where you can showcase your gaming skills, share your insights and opinions on various games, and provide walkthroughs or tips for other players. Whether it's the latest blockbuster title or an indie gem that's caught your eye, your channel can cover it all. But it's not just about the games. The heart of any successful gaming channel is the commentary. This is where your personality shines, your wit sparkles, and your knowledge impresses. You're not just a player, you're a guide, a critic, and a companion on these virtual adventures. And the best part? You can do all this without ever showing your face. Your commentary can range from humorous quips during intense action sequences to thoughtful analysis of game mechanics. And let's not forget the reactions, the excitement, the suspense. They all make for an engaging gaming experience for your viewers. So you see, starting a gaming channel isn't just about playing games. It's about creating an immersive experience for your audience, sharing your love for gaming, and building a community around your shared passion. This idea allows you to engage with your audience and share your gaming passion, all while keeping your face off screen. For the artistically inclined, an art and animation channel might be the perfect fit. Imagine a space where you can freely express your creativity, share your artistic journey, and inspire others, all while maintaining your anonymity. An art and animation channel allows you to do just that. This idea is not only about showcasing your artwork, it's also about teaching techniques. You can create step-by-step drawing tutorials, explain the nuances of color theory, or delve into the world of digital art. The possibilities are endless. You can also explore the realm of animation, create captivating animated stories, teach animation techniques, or share the process of bringing characters to life. This is a great way to engage your audience, as animations can be both entertaining and educational. This channel idea is not just about teaching, it's also about inspiring. You can share your artistic journey, discuss the challenges you face and how you overcome them. By doing so, you can inspire your viewers to embark on their own artistic journeys. Your art and animation channel can be a space of creativity, learning, and inspiration. It can be a place where you share your passion for art and where viewers can find their own artistic sparks. Remember, you don't need to be a professional artist or animator to start this kind of channel. All you need is a passion for art, a willingness to learn, and a desire to share your journey. This idea enables your creativity to shine through your creations without revealing your identity. Our final idea is for those with a passion for travel. Imagine a world where you can explore foreign lands, delve into unique cultures, and embark on thrilling adventures without ever revealing your face. This is the concept of a faceless travel channel. Capturing footage of your journeys is the heart and soul of this idea. It's about creating a visual diary of your travels, showcasing sweeping landscapes, bustling city streets, serene beaches, and hidden gems that you discover along the way. The magic of travel is in the details, the sights and sounds that make each place unique. But capturing footage is just the beginning. Creative editing can turn raw footage into a compelling story. It's about stitching together your experiences in a way that transports your viewers to these places, allowing them to feel the excitement, wonder, and tranquility of each location. Narrating your travel experiences adds a personal touch. It's not just about telling people where you went and what you saw. It's about sharing your thoughts, feelings, and insights. It's about recounting the interesting people you met, the delicious food you tasted, the unexpected challenges you faced, and how these experiences broadened your perspective. With this idea, you can share your travel experiences and insights while maintaining your anonymity. You can inspire others to explore the world, learn about different cultures, and seek out their own adventures, all while keeping your identity a secret. It's a way of sharing your love for travel without stepping into the spotlight. In conclusion, these 5 faceless YouTube channel ideas can lead to direct growth. We've explored becoming a voiceover expert, creating tech tutorials, diving into gaming, showcasing art and animation, and capturing travel experiences, all without revealing your face. Remember, the keys to success on YouTube are dedication, creativity, and consistency. So start brainstorming, because your unique content can make waves in this vast digital ocean. Regardless of whether you show your face or not, your content can make a significant impact. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support encourages us to keep sharing these creative ideas with you. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop when we release new content. And if you have any thoughts to share or questions to ask, we'd love to hear from you in the comments section. We value your engagement and feedback. Until next time, happy creating.